Lily Show. Today is Maker Faire Slime Edition, and we're going to be making 2 gallons of slime. So, let's go. So, we have a big container to put it in, and Charlotte, here, want me to help you pour it in?
No, I can do it by myself.
Here, let's, oh jeez.
Oh.
There's a cappy thingy, jeez.
I'll try with you.
Here.
Whoa,
Wait.
that's so cool.
Wait, Charlotte.
Adding the whole gallon.
Yep, I know. Now let's pour in the 2nd gallon. It's a lot of glue.
It's a lot.
Which means a lot of slime.
Yeah. So much. Almost to the top. I wasn't gonna put my hands in there to feel it, so they will turn into slime.
It's the most I've ever seen in my life.
So much. So much glue. The slime's going to be really sticky. But more glue, more slime. Right, Lily?
Mm-hmm. Now it's time to activate the slime. The activator we're using today is Tide. Since we have 2 gallons of glue, we're going to need about 1 gallon of Tide. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. So let's go ahead and add it in. Now you need to mix between each time you add Tide in.
Can I mix?
You can mix.
Okay.
Wait, let me get off the sides.
Okay.
Here you go. Mix it.
Okay.
Now I'm going to add a little bit more in. Okay, wait a minute.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Yeah, but there's glue on the bottom.
Turn.
No, because this needs to be mixed a certain way, and I know how to do that.
I do too. Because I love slime. And I've been making it.
After you add in your activator and you're mixing it around, you're going to have to pull out small portions of it to start kneading it so it turns into slime. And you can dip it back in the activator if you need to. You're going to want to do that with all of the slime. You just want to keep kneading the slime, and you may even have to transfer it to another dish so that you can handle it better.
I'm playing
I have
with
some in
some
there
too.
right now. So the big batch of slime is done. And if you come to join me at the Maker Faire, you will not only get this slime, but you'll also get to add in some foam beads, regular beads, and a whole bunch of glitter to personalize it and make it your own. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!